Welcome to our continuing discussion of HTML, this time text fundamentals. So our reference, the MDN page, HTML text fundamentals, so search for that or follow that link and you can find it. So our objective, give a page structure and meaning. So headings mean what headings mean in our culture, that is like a table of contents or a chapter heading. Paragraphs, lists, emphasis on particular words or phrase, how we set apart quotations. Those HTML structures exist that are essentially generally accepted in our culture as having meaning. So we achieve that with semantic markup. So semantic is a word that means meaning. But through semantic markup, we structure our web page for easy interpretation by sighted readers, for straightforward translation by screen readers. It's also structured for interpretation by search engines and other web crawlers. And it's structured for display on linked social media sites. So the last three of these bullet points are computer readers, software readers of your HTML that are interpreting what's there for best purposes on their platform. The first bullet point is really what's meant for human reading. So by using semantic markup properly and the tags that are identified as semantic markup tags in HTML is really important. It ensures accessibility of your site, audience range, and make sure that you don't exclude readers that have limited sight or are blind. So we'll get to some examples next. So we're showing the markup now on the right and the result on the left. And we'll talk about these header tags first. So this header 1 tag is over here. I notice that I escape the less than and greater than signs in order to get the H1 appearing properly here. Because remember, we have to escape less than and greater than signs because their meaning is meaningful as part of the tag language. So we have header 1s and header 3s, header 2 here. And you can see them over here. We'll talk a little bit about this text in a minute. So header tags, if you use the the style properties in Microsoft Word and mark up the headers in Microsoft Word is then able to automatically generate for you a table of contents. That's really an example of semantic markup. The major topics and the subtopics are marked off by header tags in a hierarchical order. 1, 2, and 3 here shown. And then the table of contents generator can generate a table of contents with a major topic, minor topic, and a subtopic. That's an example of semantic markup happening. Well, these header tags mean very much the same thing to a human being. What's the major topic? What's the minor topic, etc. As it does to an automated system that is pulling out what's the major topic of this page. What are the subtopics of this page? So, an example of semantic markup, the header tags. Now, you may want appearance for whatever reason. For a header tag to appear above, a header 3 tag to appear above a header 1 tag. Well, that's bad practice. It's bad practice because it's misleading. Think about a table of content, an automatic generator of a table of contents and what it would do to this. It's a subtopic that's ahead of a header topic. And it doesn't mean anything to the reader. You may want this look, but you can get this look through cascading style sheets and not use header for that. So headers should be 1, 2, 3. There's up to 6. There's 6 headers, and really, if you get beyond 3, you need to rethink some things about how much detail you have, I think. So after the header tags, we have paragraph tags, and these paragraph tags also carry the meaning of what a paragraph means to a reader of natural language. It's text about a single topic. Let me do a sidelight here and show this. So this is that paragraph lorem ipsum dolor that you can see over on the left. I'll delete it and save this, and that paragraph disappears. It's gone now. You can generate lorem text in Visual Studio Code. If I leave that alone, that'll generate about 30 words of lorem text. If I put in a number and then hit the tab key, it'll generate 50 words of lorem text. So lorem text has an interesting history. It's I think nonsense Latin that was used by a printer about 400 years ago to advertise their printer. And it's been picked up through the centuries as basically looking kind of like English, but nonsense words. So you can use lorem quite conveniently from Visual Studio Code just by typing in the word lorem followed by a number and then hitting the tab key. It's useful when you want to structure your web page. Say the marketing department hasn't come up with the text yet, and you still want to get going on the design of your web page. You can fill out dummy text with lorem quite easily, and it does kind of look like English if you don't read it too closely. Okay, so we've looked at header tags and paragraph tags. The next time we're going to look at these list tags here that create this list following down here.